Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Let's talk about how to do the binary arithmetic. So how to do binary addition? It's not really hard. If you remember how we do the decimal addition, for example, we have a number 14, 13 plus 124. If we have something like this, how we actually do this? We do 7, 3, 1. We just sum each digit together, right? So, but however, if we have some like a carryover, the digit, for example, now we change this to 9. Um, we change this to 9. So how we actually do the addition? So we still do 3 plus 4, 7, 9 plus 2, 1. We have a carry on here, 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2, right? So in this case, we still got 217. This is a decimal. This is the same way you can do in the binary. So how to do in the binary? So first one, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. But in binary, 1 is the biggest number. So we cannot we cannot write the 2 here. We cannot write the 2 here, right? So in this case, we try to sum out 2 equal to 1, 0. So we have a 0 and we have a carry on 1 here. Then 1 plus 1 plus 0, which is still 2. So we got 0 and we carry on 1 here. 1 plus 1 still 2. So we carry on 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. 3 still larger than 1. So we got 1 here. We carry on 1 here. And at the end, we got 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is the same way we do in decimal. We can also do in the binary. This is not so difficult, okay? So let's look at the multiplication. So if you want to do the product of the binary, how to do it? Very similar to what we have in our decimal number. If we have 13 times 24, what we actually do? 4 times 3, 12, and we carry on 1. 4 times 1, 5. So we got 5 here. Then when we do the second digit here, we do a shift. So we do a shift here. So 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 1, 2. So at the end, we got 2, 1, carry on 1, 3, 1, 2 here, right? We still use the same way. So actually, there's no much difference between binary and decimal, except the decimal number, the biggest number for one digit is 9, and the binary is 1. Binary is 1. Digit is 9. That's for decimal, right? So we can do the same way. 1 times 1 equal to 1. So there's no carry on. 1 times 1 equal to 1. No carry on. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 1 equal to 1. Oh, did you find anything here? When we do a product, actually there's no carry on problems. This is why binary multiplication is easier than the decimal one, because 1 times 1 equal to 1. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. You never has any product can get your numbers larger than 1. So this is a very simple way, right? So when we do the next one, remember we need to save a space. Then we do a 0, 0, 1 has 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, you can see another part. If it's 1, actually you just copy everything you have 1, 0, 1, 1 to your compilation. If it's 0, you just do nothing, because when 0 times anything is 0. So this is so in like a very easy way, like a very easy to compute in a binary multiplications compared to the decimal, because you don't need to worry the overflow, like the carry. You don't need to worry this kind of, and it's easy to do the 0 times something or 1 times something, right? So the binary one is very easy. So the next one, we do the third one. So this one, because it's 1, so we just copy 1, 0, 1, 1 here. Then the next one is still 1, will still leave space 1, 0, 1, 1 here. So after we try to compute everything here, we can just do the addition. So this equal to 1, this 1, 0 equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3. So we have a carry on 1 here, and 1, 1, 2, we have carry on here, 1, 1, 2, we have carry on here, 1, 1, 2, we have carry on here, so it's 1. So this is how to do a multiplication of your binary. So it simplified the carry parts in this area. Of course, for addition, you still need to take care of the carry part, but it's much easier, right? So this is very good to know. Doing a binary is not, it's definitely easier than doing a product of your decimal numbers. Short video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can see actually this is not so hard to do the math problems in binary compared to a decimal. Even it's even easier than you doing like a computation in the decimal, right? So hope you enjoyed today's lecture. See you next time. The binary arithmetic is really great.